Hello, everyone. How are you today? How is your English learning going? Remember, the more you study, the more you improve. Step by step, your English will get better and better. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. And hello, everyone. It's great to be here again with you all. How are you, Anna?
I'm feeling wonderful today, Johnny. I've been thinking a lot about good habits, especially English speaking habits, and how they help us grow every day.
That's perfect, Anna, because today's topic is how to build daily English speaking habits. We will teach you simple steps, clear sentences, and helpful habits you can use every single day.
You're doing great already. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and repeat every line slowly with us. Part 1. Simple short sentences for shadowing. Focus on foundational daily habit sentences.
I speak English every day. I practice a little each morning. I practice a little each night.
I am building a habit. I am growing slowly. I am improving step by step.
I listen to English daily. I repeat sentences slowly. I shadow with confidence.
I am going to speak more today. I am going to practice aloud. I am going to try again.
I will not worry. I will not stop. I will keep learning.
I make English part of my day. I make English part of my routine.
I speak in the morning. I speak in the afternoon. I speak in the evening.
Even 1 minute. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our lesson on building daily English speaking habits. Now, we will practice longer, topic-based sentences. Real habits you can use every day.
Yes, these sentences will help you plan your daily English routine. Listen slowly, shadow slowly, and enjoy the rhythm.
Part 2. Topic-based sentences. Examples, actions, vocabulary.
I am going to practice English for 5 minutes every morning. I can do it before breakfast. I can do it while walking.
I am going to repeat simple sentences aloud. I will speak clearly and slowly. I will not be afraid of mistakes.
I am going to choose a short English video every day. I am going to shadow the speaker. I am going to copy the sounds.
I will focus on pronunciation. I will listen carefully. I will train my mouth to move in English.
I am going to talk to myself in English. I am going to describe what I am doing. I am going to say simple things like, I am cooking, I am cleaning, I am walking.
I will keep it simple. I will keep it natural. I will keep it daily.
I am going to learn 1 to 3 new words each day. I am going to use them in a sentence. I am going to say them out loud.
I will write my goals in a notebook. I will check my progress each week. I will celebrate small wins.
I am going to speak English during small moments. Waiting in line. Taking a break. Cooking dinner. Walking outside.
Good habits don't need big time. They need small, daily time.
I am going to use English apps. I am going to listen to English podcasts. I am going to read short English messages.
I will surround myself with English. I will make English part of my life. Part 2. More habit-building sentences.
I am going to shadow 1 minute every day. Even 1 minute helps my brain.
I will repeat conversations. I will practice real situations. I will speak as if I am talking to someone.
I am going to record my voice. I am going to listen to my pronunciation.
I will improve slowly. I will understand myself better.
I am going to practice at the same time every day. Morning, afternoon, or night. Any time works.
I will protect my practice time. I will make it important. I will make it a habit.
But imagine saying, I will practice for 100 hours tomorrow. That would be ridiculous.
That was funny. Wait, I can't. All right, I'm calm. Let's continue.
Final habit phrases.
I can be consistent. I can make English part of my daily life. I can grow every day.
I will stay motivated. I will keep my routine simple. I will not give up.
You're doing wonderful. Slow practice is powerful. Daily practice is magic.
This is the end of part 2. In part 3, we will practice a real conversation, more future habits, and a mini story. Stay with us. You can do it.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 3 of our lesson on building daily English speaking habits. Now we will practice a real conversation, more daily habit sentences, and a short mini story. Stay relaxed and shadow each line slowly.
Yes, this part helps you use daily English habits in real situations. Listen closely, breathe, and repeat every line with confidence. Part 3A, Practical Conversation.
Hey, Johnny. How do you practice English every day?
Well, I'm going to practice for 5 minutes every morning. I usually shadow a short sentence.
Nice. What will you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I will listen to an English podcast. Just 10 minutes. Nothing difficult.
That's a good habit. I am going to repeat English sentences when I walk outside.
Really? That's cool. And what will you do at night?
At night, I will practice speaking alone. I talk to myself in English. I say simple things like, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm getting ready for bed.
That's a great habit. Talking to yourself actually works. Part 3B. More daily habit sentences.
I am going to set a daily reminder on my phone, a small alarm to practice English.
I will follow my plan. I will try my best even when I feel tired.
I am going to learn one new phrase each day. Then I am going to use it in a real sentence.
I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. I will not be afraid of mistakes.
I am going to make English fun. I am going to enjoy the process.
I will celebrate my progress. I will stay positive.
But imagine saying, I will speak English perfectly tomorrow. That would be ridiculous. Ridiculous.
That was funny. Oh, I can't. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Part 3C. Mini story. 1 minute a day.
This is a short story about a man named Marco.
Marco wanted to speak English fluently, but he always said, I don't have time.
One day, he decided to start small. He said, I am going to practice for 1 minute a day.
Just 1 minute. Very easy, very simple.
Every morning, Marco repeated one sentence. He listened, he shadowed, he smiled.
After 7 days, he felt more confident. After 30 days, he spoke more clearly.
After 2 months, he said, Wow, I'm improving.
Marco learned something important. A small daily habit is stronger than a big plan you never follow.
Marco's English grew because he practiced a little every single day.
This is the end of Part 3. In Part 4, we will finish the lesson with positive self-practice sentences and the final closing. Stay with us. You're doing great.
Welcome to Part 4, everyone. This is the final section of our full lesson on building daily English speaking habits. In this part, we will finish with powerful self-practice sentences, motivation, and a warm closing. Take a breath, relax, and repeat with confidence.
Yes, this final practice will help you stay strong, focused, and consistent. These sentences are simple, but they help you build real habits. Shadow slowly and feel the meaning. Part A. Positive self-practice sentences.
I can build a daily English habit. I can practice every day. I can grow slowly and naturally.
I will stay focused. I will stay consistent. I will stay positive.
I am going to practice speaking today. I am going to repeat simple sentences. I am going to enjoy learning.
I will not be afraid of mistakes. I will learn from every practice. I will keep going.
I am going to use English in my daily life. I am going to think in English more often.
I will give myself time. I will trust the process. I will believe in my progress. Part B. Emotional motivation.
I am getting better every day. I am becoming more confident.
I will speak more clearly. I will speak more naturally.
I am going to enjoy my English journey. I am going to make learning fun.
I will celebrate small wins. I will appreciate my effort.
Even 1 minute helps. Even one sentence helps. Everything you practice becomes part of you.
You are improving. You are growing. You are stronger than you think. Part C. Final habit reminders.
Speak a little every day. Repeat slowly. Shadow with confidence.
Practice in the morning. Practice at night. Practice anywhere you can.
Make English part of your life. Make English part of your routine.
And remember, small steps become big progress.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You did an amazing job. Your speaking habits are getting stronger.
We are proud of your effort. Keep practicing a little every day. Your English will grow, your confidence will grow, and your voice will grow.
Today's topic was how to build daily English speaking habits. Use these habits anywhere, anytime, even for 1 minute.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Stay positive, stay motivated, and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.